A blessed day, dear learners. I hope you're enjoying a wonderful day. Today, we are embarking on an exciting journey of learning and discovery as we delve into enhancing English language skills, a comprehensive guide to remedial instruction. So, sit back, relax, and prepare to expand your knowledge and understanding of this topic. And as always, please take care and stay safe. May God bless you always. Welcome to the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
Remedial instruction in English focuses on developing students' abilities to improve their English language skills. It aims to address specific deficits or difficulties in reading, listening, speaking, and writing. The instruction is designed to help students organize, design, implement, and evaluate remedial English programs. Ang remedial na pagtuturo sa Ingles ay nakatuon sa pagpapaunlad ng mga kakayahan ng mga mag-aaral upang mapabuti ang kanilang mga kasanayan sa wikang Ingles. Nilalayo nitong tugunan ng mga partikular na kakulangan o kahirapan sa pagbabasa, pakikinig, pagsasalita, at pagsusulat. Ang pagtuturo ay idinisenyo upang tulungan ng mga mag-aaral na mag-organisa, magdisenyo, magpatupad, at magsuri ng mga remedial na programa sa Ingles. Components of remedial instruction. Remedial instruction in English typically includes the following components. Organization and management. This component focuses on the organization of the remedial classroom, including curriculum, instruction, and assessment. It also covers the management of the classroom. Nakatuon ang bahaging ito sa organisasyon ng remedial na silid-aralan, kabilang ang curriculum, pagtuturo, at pagtatasa. Saklaw din ito ang pamamahala ng silid-aralan. Remedial instruction in reading. This component addresses various aspects of reading, such as correcting perceptual and decoding deficits in word recognition, sight word knowledge deficit, basic sight vocabulary deficit, knowledge on sound symbol correspondence, and remediation through phonemic awareness. It also includes remedial vocabulary instruction. Ang bahaging ito ay tumutugon sa iba't ibang aspeto ng pagbasa, tulad ng pagwawasto ng perceptual at decoding deficit sa word recognition, sight word knowledge deficit, basic sight vocabulary deficit, kaalaman sa sound symbol correspondence, at remediation sa pamamagitan ng phonemic awareness. Kasama rin dito ang remedial na pagtuturo ng bokabularyo. Remedial instruction in listening. This component explores factors affecting students' listening comprehension, both internal and external. It also provides strategies on how to improve students' listening comprehension. Ang bahaging ito ay nagsasaliksik sa mga salik na nakakaapekto sa pag-unawa sa pakikinig ng mga mag-aaral, parehong panloob at panlabas. Nagbibigay din ito ng mga estratehiya kung paano mapapabuti ang pag-unawa sa pakikinig ng mga mag-aaral. Remedial instruction in speaking. This component focuses on the difficulties students face in speaking and provides strategies for teaching pronunciation. It also emphasizes the use of accuracy-based activities to enhance speaking skills. Ang bahaging ito ay nakatuon sa mga kahirapan na kinakaharap ng mga mag-aaral sa pagsasalita at nagbibigay ng mga estratehiya para sa pagtuturo ng pagbigkas. Binibigyang diin din ito ang paggamit ng mga aktibidad na nakabatay sa katumpakan upang mapahusay ang mga kasanayan sa pagsasalita. Benefits of remedial instruction in English. Remedial instruction in English offers several benefits to students. By improving their English language skills, students can familiarize themselves with the English language and improve their understanding of it. Maging pamilyar sa wikang Ingles at pagbutihin ang kanilang pag-unawa dito. Develop their writing and speaking skills, allowing them to communicate effectively both inside and outside the classroom. Paunlarin ang kanilang mga kasanayan sa pagsulat at pagsasalita na nagpapahintulot sa kanila na makipag-usap ng epektibo sa loob at labas ng silid-aralan. Enhance their vocabulary, which enables them to communicate with people who may have different dialects. Pagandahin ang kanilang bokabularyo na nagbibigay daan sa kanila na makipag-usap sa mga taong maaaring may iba't ibang dialekto. Boost their social skills and confidence, which can be helpful when applying for jobs. Palakasin ang kanilang mga kasanayan sa lipunan at kumpiyansa na maaaring makatulong kapag nag-a-apply para sa mga trabaho. Conclusion. Remedial instruction in English is a valuable approach to help students improve their English language skills. By addressing specific deficits in reading, listening, speaking, and writing, students can enhance their overall language proficiency and communication abilities. Ang remedial na pagtuturo sa Ingles ay isang mahalagang diskarte upang matulungan ng mga mag-aaral na mapabuti ang kanilang mga kasanayan sa wikang Ingles. Sa pamamagitan ng pagtugon sa mga partikular na kakulangan sa pagbabasa, pakikinig, pagsasalita, at pagsusulat, mapapahusay ng mga mag-aaral ang kanilang pangkalahatang kasanayan sa wika at mga kakayahan sa komunikasyon.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. Thank you. And God bless you always.
I hope you found a lecture on English, lecture notes insightful, and gained new knowledge. If you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. We welcome your feedback, questions, and suggestions, which you can leave in the comment section below. Thank you for tuning into Teacher Lumaban's YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. May God bless you always.